plants. Are you prepared to hone the power of faith and make every meal a heroic endeavor? If so, flip the page of the Superfood Playbook and let's begin your journey to becoming the ultimate superfood hero.
To become a sponsor, just visit superfoodparents.com.
Let's see, Six Bells doing their networking. Y'all know to drop y'all links. We ain't afraid of YouTube community guidelines. Grooving and grooving. I appreciate that thing, Dragon. You know how we do. We try to get some good information out there too, besides just entertainment and educational information about cannabis. But we try to help people out when we can. Shouts out to y'all. 10 thumbs up in the building. Hey, somebody got to do it.
It's a legal medical marijuana grow.
Jorge Escavata. Hey, I appreciate you for coming by.
Rob's Review does not encourage any illegal activities of any kind and is not suitable for all ages. If you're over 18, you're okay. If not, please do not watch this video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Rob's Reviews. Today we'll be talking about exactly in depth how to use an AC.
I know to go check him out too. Bro be live every day. Appreciate him too. Great supporter. He'll come through.
Ideal temperatures and humidity for each stage.
Drop some comments in the chat. Let you know he was here.
So, cannabis plants like a temperature similar to humans, or a little warmer, not too dry, not too humid. For a lot of indoor growers, this is all you need to worry about. If it feels too hot or too cold for you in your grow room, it's probably too hot or too cold for your cannabis plant as well. If you grow in a room that's warm or cold, humid or dry, that is a sign that you may need to look into changing the temperature or humidity of your grow area. Generally, cannabis plants prefer temperatures in between 70 degrees to 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Range during the day when lights are on, but range when the lights are off, cannabis plants are happy with slightly temperature drops. When your cannabis plant is in vegetative stage, young growing cannabis plants in the vegetative stage like it a little warmer, in the 70 to 85 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees Celsius, as we were saying, for that range. When they're flowering, this isn't for the plant themselves as much to ensure that
that in itself is crazy, because then the plant's still probably just sitting outside. Hey man, you ain't been watering your plant, so I'll put it over here so I can water it for you. But you can see it's clearly outside, so you can't say I stole it, so you can't call the police. What type of time is they out over there? That's that St. Louis shit right there. You know.
Good quality, but
yeah, shout out to the show.
60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, or 18 to 26 degrees Celsius. Slightly cooler temperatures in the second half of flowering stage help produce the best bud color, which is why I have dropped my temperature at night.
What up, Heather J? Y'all know Heather just got done with her crafting and chat over on her channel. Appreciate that. We start off over there, then come over here. Shouts out to the 7 people in chat and the 10 likes, 710 somewhere, baby.
So let's get into these 7 essential concepts about temperature control. Ventilation is one of the biggest things to control temperature. Hot air should be vented out of your grow space if heat is a problem. I'd recommend venting it outdoors in order to not allow it to recirculate back into your tent. Fans, there's a big misconception of fans that they bring your temperature down. They do not bring your temperature down. They will recirculate your air and help level out any heat spots or hot spots in your tent to get a better reading. ACs and evaporator coolers bring down the temperature, and you guys can look into these online on Amazon. These are probably the only 2 ways to bring your temperature down, other than opening up your vent flaps at the bottom of your tent if you're using a grow tent. Strains make the biggest difference. Heat and cold bother certain plants more than others. The strain has a significant effect on plants' heat or cold resistance. So if you are in a region where you've got tons of heat or it gets really, really cold, I recommend looking into a plant that can handle either or, depending on where you live. Choosing the right light. We all know LEDs run a lot cooler, which is why I use LEDs. They can also help heat your room. So if you have LED light, remember that during the day, it's going to be a little hotter in your tent, even if it's certain degrees outside. Imagine it being at least 5 to 10 degrees hotter in your tent when your light is on. When your light is off, then that just means that your temperature is going to drop, and you can actually use a light to help control your temperature. When you supplement all these things together,